Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's our 8th lecture about petroleum assays and oil characterization, in which today we do work about manually inputting data for an assays like different cuts of petroleum by Aspen Hysis. Okay, first of all, we want to know about cuts in the context of petroleum refining. Cuts refers to the fractions or segments of crude oil that are separated during the refining process based on their boiling points. Each cut has distinct physical and chemical properties, making it suitable for specific applications. The separation is primarily done through fractional distillation in a distillation tower. Common petroleum cuts they are based on their boiling points: light gases from C1 to C4, naphtha from C5 to C10, gasoline from C5 to C12, kerosene from C10 to C16, diesel C10 to C20, gas oil, heavy gas oils, and residue different. Our today workshop we will do work about least required data for different cuts and more data required for different cuts. First of all, in Aspen Hysis, we will create assays, then we define cuts based on their boiling points from 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. And finally, we will click characterizes assays, then we will find missing data and different composition of different cuts. Okay, now we will move toward Aspen Hysis. In Aspen Hysis, click on new. Ensure that we are working in petroleum assays and that go on assays management. So according to our requirements, create assays. So here click on assays on the left side of my hand. Click on manually into. So see here assays 1 multi-cut. Here we have fluid package basis and number of cuts 5. Now at the initial boiling point as according to our requirements, 100, 200, 300, and finally we know 500. Click on OK. Let's see. Okay, see here, no yield data. Please enter cut yield by weight or cut yield by volatile data. Okay, here we will put 15%, 20%, 25%, and final we have 15% for cut 4, and then show assays and characterize it. To here cut yield weight by weight, cut 1 15%, cut 2 20%, cut 3 25%, and finally cut 4 15%. Okay, now click on characterize assays as given in our lecture. Okay, click on characterize assays and let's see. It will take few minutes. Please wait while we are characterizing the selected assay. See here data of different cuts which will give us Aspen Hysis like liquid density of cut 1, cut 2, kinematic viscosity of cut 1, cut 2, cut 3, paraffin, olefins, different cuts data are give us by Aspen Hysis. Let's see here. Sulfur data is missing and nitrogen data is missing of all cuts. Let's see. We'll do another workshop to find all data here. Next workshop in Aspen HYSYS. So first go to Aspen HYSYS, then copy here in Aspen HYSYS, copy assess 1. It will take some minutes. Okay, here we do. We have cut 100%. First copy the assess and we will cut 100%. Whole crude oil cut is 100% and it is 25%. Liquid density is 750 kg per meter cube, and sulfur is 0.5%. Paraffin volume 40%, naphthalene 25%, paraffin volume 40%, naphthalene 20%, olefin 10%, and aromatic 15%. Olefin 10% and aromatic by volume 15%. Okay, here see kinematic viscosity of each cut is unavailable, and freezing points, cold point, smoke point, nitrogen by weight, vanadium, etc. These compositions data are not available. So click on characterize assess. It will take few minutes, like 30 seconds to 35 seconds. Okay, see here each cut's complete data available by weight. Kinematic viscosity of each cut is available, and each data is available which is not available in our previous section. Like sulfur by weight is available in this section and which is not available in our previous workshop, and nitrogen data is available in this section which is not available in our previous sections. Paraffin's data kinematic viscosity is available in this section which is not available in previous section. This is our 8th lecture about adding manually inputting data and getting more data from Aspen HYSYS, putting less data and getting more data from Aspen HYSYS. It's about petroleum assess and oil characterization, in which we did today work about petroleum cuts, different petroleum cuts based on their boiling points, etc. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.